Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. When we talk about breast cancer, most people immediately think of a lump, but it doesn't always present that way. Breast cancer can manifest with various signs and symptoms, and it's essential to know how your breast normally look and feel so you can spot changes that are unusual for you. Today we are going to cover 5 key warning signs of breast cancer that go beyond just a lump. The goal here is information and empowerment. So let's get into it. Who all have visited first time on this channel, please do subscribe and watch. We'll see the first. We'll know what is breast cancer. Here in the image you can see a disease where abnormal cells in the breast grow uncontrollably, forming tumors that can spread to other body parts, typically starting at milk ducts or lobules. And also we'll understand some causes. Genetic related. First one is a genetics, inherited mutations, and then especially in BRCA1 and 2 genes significantly raise risk. And then about age, increases with age, common after 50. And then family history, a strong family history of breast or ovarian cancer increases, that is personal risk. And then radiation exposure, prior radiation therapy to the chest. And then obesity, higher body fat increases estrogen levels, promoting tumor growth. And then sixth cause is alcohol. Increased alcohol consumption raises risk. And then smoking, tobacco use is linked to breast cancer. Now we'll see the signs. A first important sign is lump or thickening. A lump or thickening in the underarm area. Here, Mayo Clinic and American Cancer Society reveals that not all lumps are hard, painless masses like the stereotypes suggest. And then, in fact, a study published in the British Journal of General Practice analyzed over 56 symptoms and found that while 83% of breast cancer presentations involve a lump, many are soft, movable, or even accompanied by pain, things we often dismiss as cysts or hormonal changes, especially after menopause, that is post-menopause. This is the first sign. We'll see the second one. Unexpected changes in the size, shape, or contour of breast. According to the WHO organization, this symptom affects many cases, often linked to tumors pressing on tissues from within. And then a comprehensive review by Cancer Research UK emphasizes that for women over 50, hormonal shift can mask this, but ignoring it is risky. Early spotting correlates with better outcomes. We'll move to the next one. That is skin changes on the breast such as dimpling, redness, swelling or puckering. Here, Mayo Clinic research highlights that these signs mimic infection, leading to delays in diagnosis. And then a study in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that women over 50 with the skin changes have higher risks if ignored. But early interventions boost survival by 40%. And then US data from the American Cancer Society shows similar patterns with redness often mistaken for dermatitis in older women. This is the third warning sign of breast cancer. Next we'll see the fourth one, that is nipple discharge that's not breast milk. Here this symptom appears in 5 to 10% of breast cancer cases, often signaling ductal carcinoma. And then in the UK, early detection of discharge related cases has been linked to a 95 percentage survival rate for non-invasive cancers. We'll move to the last one, that is persistent pain or discomfort. Here ongoing pain or tenderness in the breast or nipple area that doesn't resolve. This is all about the signs of breast cancer. And then less common are later signs. Swollen lymph nodes in the armpit or around the collarbone. And then feeling tired or unexplained weight loss. It can be the sign of advanced cancer. And then next we'll see friend to see doctor. Any new lump or change in your breast tissue, regardless of whether you can feel it or not. And then if you notice any of the skin or nipple changes. And then don't wait for your next schedule. Mammogram if you find something new. I hope you all are very clear with the signs of warning signs of this one breast cancer. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.